Are your precious iPhone or Android photos not backing up? It's a common and frustrating issue. In this video, we'll dive into why your photos might not be syncing and how to fix it. We all know the pain of losing memories because of backup failures, but don't worry, we're here to help. This video will provide you with clear, actionable steps to troubleshoot and resolve your photo backup problems. Let's explore the most common reasons why your photos aren't backing up as they should. Often, it's a simple storage quota issue. Make sure you have enough cloud storage available for your photos. Low power or battery saver modes can restrict background app activity, preventing photo backups. Check your phone's power settings. Your backup settings might be configured to only upload over Wi-Fi. If you're on cellular data, your photos won't back up. Adjust these rules in your settings. Now let's look at specific steps for iPhone users to get their photos backing up again. Perform a one-screen audit. Check your iCloud settings, ensure the Photos app has necessary permissions, and confirm background app refresh is enabled for photos. Android users, these are the steps to ensure your photos are safely backed up. For Android, conduct a similar audit. Review Google Photos settings, verify data usage permissions, and disable battery optimization for the app. By addressing these common issues, you should be able to resolve most photo backup problems. Don't let IT issues hold you back from preserving your memories or running your life smoothly. If you're still stuck, consider Maddie at Asambe, an AI-first IT support expert. She can provide reasonable responses for your IT issues. Don't give up. Help is always available for your technology needs. Your photos are important.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.